This is Floral Mandala stencil from Altenew. This stencil measures 8 by 8. This large stencil will help you create a stunning floral mandala on your card or project. Its size is just perfect for scrapbook layouts and home decor as well. Altenew stencils look beautiful when blended with our crisp dye inks, or you can add a splash of color and pattern with our line of ink sprays. Once done using the stencil, simply clean it using baby wipes, stamp cleaner, or mild soap and water. Store them flat and away from direct heat or sunlight. All of Altenew stencils are high quality and manufactured in the USA. To find out more about the Floral Mandala stencil and its featured projects, please visit us at altenew.com.